In this video tutorial, we will be discussing the basics of detailing, and it's somewhat similar to the given image provided here. The image here is available under the link provided in the description of this video tutorial. So by the way, this is a tool holder. Dimensions are provided. Have a detail view at A. You have the front view and the top view. Also, the isometric view. So I'll just minimize this one, start creating the part itself. So let us create a new part file. Make sure that you double check your system units under document properties. I just change this to ANSI and units mmgs, and probably I just use no decimal places, then okay. So I'll just sketch the profile using the front plane. I'll just sketch center line, and I'll just sketch another line which is midpoint line. I just draw a horizontal midpoint line here. Right click and select. I just click this one and make that for construction. Then okay. So I'll just draw circles. And I'll just use dynamic mirror. Select this vertical line. Just draw circles here. Also this one. Then I'll add the dimensions using smart dimensions. So I'll just measure this one. Provide dimension here. Let's say that is 19. This is probably diameter of 25. This one is 20, I think. Let's say this is 10. This one. Let's say this is 12. I'll just use trim entities. Notice that the sketch is fully defined, so I'll just close the dialog box and use the features extruded boss base. Here I will select mid plane for the condition, and the thickness is given as 42 millimeters. Okay. So I'll just change my orientation view, top view. I just select the top plane and sketch. I'll sketch a circle. Provide dimensions from the center up to this edge. So this is 14. The diameter of the circle is 19. The distance between the origin and the center is 38. Then I'll use extruded boss base again. I'll just change my orientation to isometric view, use mid plane, and this one is 40. And okay. Now I will be adding special hole, so I'll just use hole wizard. I'll select the counter bar under the hole type. Standard is unsymmetric, and next bolt, that's M5, should be draw, so it's good to go. Then I'll just go to the positions tab, select the top face of these cylindrical boss base here. I'll just invoke the center of that circle by hovering the cursor to the edge or circumference. click the center of that circular edge, then OK. So I have here the model, then I'll just add some fillets. Radius is 3. I select these edges here and also at the bottom. Then OK. Then I'll add some more fillets. Radius of 2. Select edge, this one, and also the edge on this portion here. Then I'll click OK. Let me just change this appearance. Just right click under appearances. I'll select part. Probably change this color. So you would choose any color that you want here. Then I'll just click OK to accept that color and change my display style to shaded only. Then I'll just save this file as. I'll just go to the tool folder. Then click the save button here. Now I'll just create basic detailing of this part, which is a toe holder. So I'll just select file, make drawing from part. Now the standard sheet size will be available for the sheets format size dialog box. So I'll just select PNC landscape, then OK. Now the view palette is available under the task pane. So I'll just later on I'll just be selecting those views. Then before that, I need to verify my settings, especially the units. So I'll just click anywhere in the sheet area. Then system options, document properties, ANSI, then units, MMGS, let's say no decimal places, then OK. Notice here the file name of the part is provided under the drawing area number. We could edit this one by simply right clicking sheet number 1 and then edit sheet format. Okay. So you could add a name here, probably with that note, text, then simply here I'll just double click here, then provide a name. You have your formatting toolbar here, so I'll just select everything, then I'll just type possible number here of the font size probably, and click outside. Then I'll just click, hold, and drag to place this location here. Similarly, you could double click anywhere here to change those names and so on. So I'll just exit sheet format, except I have changed already. So you have here drawn by Solid Design. I'll just press this F key so that it will fit in my graphics area. Now I will be selecting the views using the view palette. I have this toolbar here, then I'll just select refresh. So among these views, these are the front, top, right, back, left, bottom, isometric, and so on, and even the current view from the open file. So I'll just click, hold, and drag the front view to the drawing area here. Then if you're going to hover your mouse pointer or cursor upward, this will be the projected view of the top view. So I'll just click here, and I just click the accept button here. Now I'll insert another view using the view palette, the isometric. I'll select this drawing view tree and change the display style to shaded. Then I'll just click OK. Now I'll just click this view, the front view, and let us view that one as hidden lines visible. Similarly, it is applied to this one. If you don't want it to be applied to this view, select that view, then remove this parent style here under display style. Then you could select different display style. So I'll just use the parent style for the time being. Now I'll just add a detail view. I'll just go to drawing, then I'll just select detail view tool. Please sketch a circle, continue. So I'll just place a circle here, approximate that value or the circle itself. So I'm good to go. I'll just click here, then the view will be available and attached to your mouse cursor for a second. So I'll just click here, then I'll just click OK, and I'll just adjust this one by dragging this view, and the projected view is aligned to the front view. Now, similarly, I could drag this one and relocate it to a place for better viewing. And by the way, the hidden lines is available here, so I'll just change that view. I'll just remove the tick mark, use parent style, and simply use hidden lines removed. Now, adding of dimensions, you can select it using the annotation command manager tab, model items, selected feature. Probably I'll just select the entire model, then mark for drawings. If you have a whole wizard location, choose this one, and also the whole column. So I'll just select this one and this one, and I'll just click OK. The dimensions are provided automatically to the entire model. Then you may need to arrange those and position those given. So you have here diameter 19, probably this one, range is 25, here range is 3 for this value. Okay, then diameter 22, diameter 12, okay, and diameter 10. 19, distance between the two centers of those circles, 40. So they are not placed good enough. So one way of placing them is simply by means of copying them or placing them to the other views. So I just place this one to this view here, to the front view, by pressing shift key in the keyboard, then click, hold, and drag this view and release. So it will be automatically added to this one. So I'll just position the dimension. Similarly, this diameter 19 doesn't belong here, so probably I'll just delete this one using the delete key in the keyboard. Then I'll just place a dimension here using smart dimension. Pages 2, I'll just delete this one. Probably also this one. So this is 38. So the 38, I'll just paste it here. Place it at the center probably. Then for radius 3, let us just hide this portion to this location. Probably this is good enough. This one, diameter 25. See the inferencing line so that it will be aligned to those dimensions. Probably also this one, that one. You would also place it downward at the bottom here. Now probably there is a missing dimension here, so I'll just add dimension to the center of the circle, and this one. It's 38. Now radius 3 has 4 fillets here, so I'll just click this dimension. If your dimension doesn't look like this one, you may need to go to the leaders and then click custom. Make sure to select broken leader horizontal text. Probably yours would be somewhat like this one. Okay, you may want to change it to this text position. So I'll just select this one. Under dimension text, I'll just provide 4 times. Okay. Then this one, I'll just override this one. Probably there are 2 holes or 2 diameter, 2 circle with diameter, and diameter 12, probably similar to this one. Then this is good to go. It's complete, but then the counter bore here. So let us add simply an annotation note. So I just select the circular edge, place it here. I'll just probably type so counter bore, that is for M5 I think, accept bolt. Then you could change that orientation using this leader here. So I'll just select this one, underline leader, and then OK. Now for the final mark, I just add annotation note here stating that all fillets and rounds are 2 millimeters unless otherwise specified. You could highlight this one, and also you could change the font style, height, so on. So I'll just leave it that way. Just close this one, or I just accept that. Okay. So just press this F key, and this gives you a possible basic detailing of the given tool holder part. So just save this one. Similar file name but different file type. Okay. Then save. Then save all. So probably I'll just, if you want to save this drawing file as a JPEG file, you can do so. Then save. I already have a tool holder of a JPEG file here, so I'll just select yes. And I could open that file. Then I'll just upload this one. There you have it.